Good morning, children. Hope you all are safe and fine. Children, we have already completed the PT portion. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is Indus Valley Civilization. Let's start. Before beginning this chapter, I would like to ask you a question. What do you mean by the word civilization? Yes, the word civilization means an organized culture of many communities or a people or of a nation. It is to raise people from a primitive state to an advanced and ordered stage of development in politics, society and culture. Civilization is commonly used to mean people who are not savages or barbarians but possesses refinement and culture and have a high level of culture and technological development. Now, the next question arises, when did the first civilization came into existence in the world? The villages of the Neolithic age grew into towns and cities around rivers between 4000 BCE and 600 BCE. This is the period when the first civilization came into existence in the world. Now children, the first civilizations or the ancient civilizations are called river valley civilizations because they grew near river banks where it was conducive for agriculture. Rivers served as a constant source of water for agriculture and the soil on their bank was highly fertile due to the recurrent floods. Besides, the rivers were an easy mode of travel by boats and rafts. Another important feature of the river valley civilization was that they invented and used bronze metal alloy for making tools and implements. Hence, these civilizations are also called Bronze civilizations. The early river valley civilizations were Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, Indus Valley civilization, which is also known as Harappan civilization, and the Chinese civilizations. Children, you are making project on river valley civilization. Now I think you are having rough idea of all the civilizations. Yes. So today let us discuss Indus Valley civilization. Children, European countries are often cited as example of social and economic development and good urban planning. But can you imagine that about 4500 years ago, people were living in well-planned cities and buildings in the Indus Valley civilization in the Indian subcontinent. This civilization flourished between 3300 BCE and 1800 BCE on the banks of the Indus River and its tributaries. It had advanced urban culture and its social and economic systems were well developed. Children, the points which are discussed today, for the detailed study of all these points, you will refer to page number 20, 21 and 22 because it is very necessary that after going through the module, you will go through these pages also. Okay, and underline the keywords and the important terms given in these pages. Okay, now let's do a quick recapitulation. After going through this module, I think you all are clear with these two questions. These questions are already there in the back exercise also. Name the four ancient civilizations. Yes, the four ancient civilizations were Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, Indus Valley civilization, and the Chinese civilization. And the second question is, mention any 5 sites from where the remains of the Harappan civilization have been excavated. Children, this question we have not discussed today, but this is your homework. You will go through those pages and you will find out and be ready for the next class. This is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.